And no updates. It's just sitting there, getting annoyed. I want my house back. Delays. Spaghetti squash, look at that. Yum. Roasted with coconut oil and sea salt. And they fixed our stairs. That looks about like all they did. But they fixed our stairs, yay. Let's go in the right way. Got to breakfast from another place that makes almond milk cappuccino. Yummy. And where are we? Wall Township. Yum. Decorations, just got a glass jar from the dollar store, filled it with some ornaments, and I made these cute little trees. All I did was die cut a birthday hat, and then I rolled it into a cone, and then I taped it, added some glitter paper that I also got from the dollar store. Cut out some hearts, put a little string just to give it a little different look, and I bought that undone, and then I bought some stuff from the dollar store and decorated it with a bow. There you go, super easy decorations. Didn't cost a lot of money. That's it. Okay, they're almost ready to cut our new front door. Yay! Our old front door is being closed up. Get out, my kitchen's back. I'm getting excited. Well, it's almost back. Hashtag 6 weeks to go, yay! Gonna be my new front door. That window's gonna still be replaced, and Kevin's standing right where my TV's going. I have walls again. Summer in December, out walking Mandy girl. It is 60s, insane. I feel like we're in Florida. Love this summer weather. My cute little cup I found in Marshall's today with my herbal coffee. Planning our New York trip tomorrow, and we are stopping by this place. Raw vegan pie. Cute mug in Marshall's. I found these cute bites that I think I saw Lauren had them on her blog. Naturally Lauren. And then I found these. And these coconut chips, which I love. These are my favorite, caramel sea salt. And these chocolate snackaroons. I've tried the and I have these goji berry ones, which are delicious. Goji, cacao, and maca. I can't wait to try these. They look yummy. We're here at the train station, getting ready to go to New York City. Say hi, Dave. I know what.
The next station is Red Bank. When leaving the train, please watch the gap.
Times Square. We're in Times Square, New York. I'm about to run into Starbucks and then Toys R Us. Say hi, guys. Well, Davey's too old now to ride it. Rockefeller Center. So they're cleaning the ice. No one's ice skating right now, but it's so beautiful. And we are about to go into the Patrick's Cathedral. We're in Bryant Park, and I'm eating a burger from V-Burger. It's a vegan burger, gluten-free. I don't know, it's got some type of rice protein. It's pretty good. These French fries are gluten-free, vegan, Sailor something, right by the burger stand. Yummy! To buy the pie is nuts, and we got one of these mini pies, mainly because it has maple syrup, and that tends to give me a headache, so I just got a little one, but I can't wait to try it. There's this little pie, I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god. Good. Looking for paint colors. They're getting ready to paint our
Niagara
house.
Mist sounds familiar.
Oh, that does sound familiar. I'm trying to remember what color we had. And they've started to paint. Yay, it looks so nice. It looks so nice to see it finally painted. And the door is gone. So nice. Pancakes. And it's painted, looks so nice. Yay. Am I the only one who wraps their dogs presents and buys them stockings and fills them? Mandy's getting ready for Santa. Last day of Advent calendar. What'd you get?
Santa C3PO.
Santa. Let me see. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, how cute. Continuing the grandma tradition, she got you an Advent calendar every year. Santa and RT. What is that, Rudolph?
R2D2.
Christmas Eve dinner is gluten-free, dairy-free lasagna. I made regular for everyone else. And I got this yummy raw. There it is, raw vegan cheesecake, and then some Daiya cheese for my salad, and these for tomorrow. Gluten-free, and they're so good.
So everything sticks in, right?
Yeah, basically.
In.
Boom.
What's Stevie got?
You need something to open it with?
Where's your present? Come on, Dave, you can do it. Where's your bone? Davey's opening it, look. What a good girl.
Wait.
Mandy, go ahead, get it. Get your toy.
There you go.
There she goes. Good girl. Okay, Davey's turn.
Bunny.
Someone's loving her bunny. Boys opening their presents. Merry Christmas, everyone. Say Merry Christmas to Snapchat. Merry Christmas. So Davey made me and Kevin this beautiful bowl. This beautiful flower. How beautiful are they? So nice. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho. Christmas,
Merry
everyone.
Christmas.
Have a wonderful holiday from the Hughes family. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Enjoy the day.
Christmas.
Traffic. Holiday traffic. So I picked these up at Target. I'm going to do a 3-day juice cleanse. It's a cleanse with food also. You drink 3 a day and have healthy meals. Yay, they were working on the outside. That's a good sign. Yay. Getting there. So it's day 2 of my cleanse. I'm starting out with Suja Organic Twilight Protein. This was pretty yummy. I had this yesterday. Almond milk, banana, pea protein, chia, vanilla, cinnamon. Chocolate chia pudding, just chia seeds, almond milk, cacao, banana topped with coconut whipped cream and a drizzle of date syrup, and cinnamon and vanilla. So meal 3, let's give it a try. It tastes really good. A little earthy, but the sweetness of the pineapple and the banana. And that is my backyard, Route 37. I am so happy to be going home in a few weeks. Listen to that. Setting up my new planner today. Trying to pick a card, made a budget, monthly budget, starting with January. January I picked I Am Grateful. And there's my budget I'll be working on this month. And I put it be thankful for all my thankful thoughts. It also has these great inserts that you can add, and they have different sayings. Some of them are just different colors, but I like it because I can add stickers in them that I'll be using today. I made these little stickers just to inspire me throughout the month, and there's someone's birthday, and it's a great journal. So this is what we're getting ready to pack again. Should be fun, but I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm putting the tree away. Another Christmas. All the ornaments. You know it's New Year's. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! He's so cute. Waiting for her daddy to come home. Catching up on Homeland. Season 3.
You don't look like a man.
Daddy's so